Some scientists want to bring back extinct animals, but others say we're playing God with nature. In secret labs, DNA from mammoths and dodos sits frozen, waiting for the right technological spark. The goal isn't Jurassic Park fantasy. It's to restore lost ecosystems and repair human-made damage. But what happens when curiosity moves faster than ethics and we resurrect creatures without asking why? Cloning isn't magic. It starts with ancient tissue, extracted cells and surrogate mothers from related species. Researchers in Russia have already frozen mammoth remains in permafrost, hoping to one day see them walk. Australia has started de-extinction trials for the Tasmanian tiger, once hunted into oblivion by colonists. In South Korea, cloning dogs and cows has become routine, proving mammals can be replicated precisely. But when does scientific ambition cross into unnatural obsession, and who decides what creatures return? If we resurrect extinct predators, are we ready for their behaviors in a world they never knew? Some species disappeared because their habitats vanished. Bringing them back won't restore the forests we destroyed. Even herbivores could reshape environments in ways that displace current wildlife or damage recovering ecosystems. The ethics deepen when cloned animals are born with deformities, suffer silently, or die prematurely in labs. Are we helping nature by restoring balance, or satisfying guilt through genetic resurrection experiments? And what about consent? These animals never chose to be test subjects or conservation experiments. If a cloned mammoth were born today, it would never meet its kind or know its purpose. Loneliness might be the first legacy of de-extinction, followed closely by exploitation or public spectacle. Would these animals live in labs, zoos, or enclosed parks, cut off from real wilderness? And if they escape, how would modern ecosystems handle a species gone for thousands of years? Scientists argue that cloning could prevent further extinction by creating backups of endangered genes. In theory, we could clone white rhinos from preserved cells, saving a species on the brink. But cloning one animal doesn't build a population or restore the cultural knowledge within wild herds. Nature isn't just DNA, it's behavior, learning, parenting, and adapting over countless generations. A cloned animal starts with memory erased, instincts diluted, and a body raised by another species. Still, there's beauty in the hope of seeing a mammoth tread tundra once again. There's also danger in pretending extinction is reversible, making conservation feel optional instead of urgent. If we can bring species back, will we protect the ones still alive with equal passion? Funding for de-extinction projects often drains resources from real-time conservation efforts around the world. Some biologists say we're chasing ghosts instead of guarding the fragile life that remains. But others insist that cloning extinct animals is humanity's redemption arc, fixing what our ancestors destroyed. The deeper question remains, do we want to bring animals back, or do we need to? And who benefits when we do, the planet or the prestige of the scientists involved? Ethics evolve with technology, and de-extinction forces us to rethink what it means to be responsible. One wrong step could create suffering without survival, a future built on nostalgia instead of necessity. Still, if done wisely, de-extinction could help revive damaged habitats and reawaken forgotten ecological rhythms. Imagine hearing a woolly mammoth trumpet across a tundra where silence once marked extinction. But imagine also its eyes, seeing nothing familiar, trapped between prehistoric memory and artificial modernity. We cannot clone context, nor can we recreate the relationships that extinct animals once depended on. So, as labs prepare their first successes, the world must decide what kind of future we want. Not everything that can be done should be done, and not every extinct species should return. But every decision we make echoes forward, shaping the balance between wonder, wisdom, and responsibility. In trying to revive the past, we might just redefine what it means to protect the future.